I guess the war was enough. Now I got a reason to burn down the television, walk through the seasons. I pass in the trees. I open up a cantaloupe and give it to the next man who's struggling and broken. You've been there, and we both know you gotta pay your bills when your fuel's always low. You're heading out the door, you're making out the wish, then you're stuck with the rest at the bottom of the list. Cause every city I go, yeah, I'll keep killing them. We'll come back and visit just to show them that we're feeling them.
We're leaving.
Yep.
Yeah, we
Soon.
are.
We gotta get Gus up though.
Yeah, we do. I already do that.
Can you? I need.
He said, yeah, okay, listen to this. He did say he did everything.
What do you
He
mean?
did all the dishes. He did all the ditches.
What?
What?
Yeah, he did the cat there, which I don't know. I didn't know that was a thing we needed to do, but yeah, he said he did everything so he could get up and go. He's like half awake. I told him he's got 15 minutes before he gets up. Before we just play a sound box on his head.
Me lazy.
There's magical words out there, and I want you to hear them.
I'm the only one ready to go. I got my bag put in, that's it. My drone. But I have to use my drone, so I don't have that packed up yet.
Well, we're getting the bus all packed up. It's the morning of departure, and Quinn's on the bed right now, just chilling out, and we're kind of figuring out all the little quirks of packing this space. We still got a little bit of housework to do, but we're getting going soon, and I'm really excited.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm even looking forward to the drive. I actually really think it's beautiful, the drive to New Orleans. So hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff for you and some great experiences for us. So let's go.
I'm ready to get the show on the road. I mean, we spent months trying to get this together for this moment, and I think what's going to happen is we're going to go from office mode into free mode. So I'm ready to travel.
I'm hanging out. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't be hanging out the door of buses. But I'm doing it because of TV. I'm allowed to do it. What's up, everybody? We're pumping gas. We just left the house. We're on our journey now. It's awesome. I'm excited about it. And we got to go fix our turn signal because the light bulb doesn't work. So that's a bummer, but it's all good. We got to go to a few places anyway before we really hit the interstate. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Well, something broke. The Dremel fell from up high, and apparently it's really heavy, and it hit the oven door and shattered glass everywhere. So we have about a few thousand little pieces of glass everywhere, but it's okay, I'm still in a good spirit.
We're driving through Chattanooga and then on to Alabama and New Orleans. We're just driving and getting to where we're going.
Boom! Hit a bump and there's no power to the bus's engine anymore. None. Like, I'm flooring it. It's going right? I'm like, oh man, that's it. Like, we didn't even make it to the first destination. Engine's gone. Crap, we're screwed.
The bus is overheating. We think we know why, but we don't know for sure.
And we're out of oil.
And I think it's completely out of oil. Yep.
So what do we do?
We're gonna try to start it up and see if it works properly.
Okay, so should I start it?
So, yeah.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna start it. We just got to the gas station. The bus was 4.5 quarts low on oil, and now Byron's under August's car.
Oh man, this is crazy. That's probably good that we have to stop for real. The engine, our engine would have exploded and the exhaust would have fell off.
Yeah. Or it would have probably caught and shredded the tire.
Really?
Yeah. Look at it. It's right in front of the back wheel. Thank you, Brent, for the toolkit. This thing is coming handy. Within the first day of the trip, about 3 or 4 times.
My God.
Alright.
You think it won't open because of the pressure?
No, the pressure is completely released. The thing is just corroded and rusted or something.
So there's two good reasons why I bought this bus. It's 1990, so it's old enough that the parts aren't all electric, so they're kind of easy to fix. But it's young enough that I'll still be able to find parts for it.
Exactly. Yep.
I actually woke up thinking that we were 3-4 hours from New Orleans, but to wake up and find out that we broke down.
So I just woke up. They're still laughing. There's still a lot of comedy going on between the bus and the van, but there's been a lot that's happened since I've been asleep.
Is it still running okay or no? What's it running like?
I mean, as good as expected.
We're 4 minutes away, 2.2 miles.
Hey, how y'all doing?
What's up? Hey, thanks for picking us up, man.
Yeah. This is definitely a first.
Yeah.
It's a little creepy, but you know, I said, I'll do it. I'm gonna check it out. A little adventure.
And what's your name?
My name's Steve.
Awesome.
So we're about to hit the French Quarter.
Alright, so it's kind of a dream to drone down Bourbon Street, so here we go.
Then
I was going so fast past all these like flags on the left, buildings on the right. It was risky.
Yeah, you're not gonna be scared at all to do the swamp after that.
Oh no, I was never worried about it to begin with. Like, you know, we
Until
got
you did
water
it.
all over the place. Get out of here.
After 3 days of travel and broke down stuff and all that, we're here, we're enjoying ourselves, and it's awesome.
So, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit of an adrenaline junkie. I can't help myself. I'd like to think that I'm still 18 years old, jumping and all, playing everywhere, but I think we decided to do an airboat ride, like when we were first planning the trip, and I couldn't let go of that idea. Larry, our captain, was awesome. He knew exactly when we were photographing and not to whip it, but as soon as he saw that we were in our seats, he would cruise it around the corners. I mean, it was like drifting in a boat.
So he was an amazing captain, so we didn't get soaked or anything like that. They accommodated our drones and our video equipment, and he showed us some of the most amazing areas back there. Some of the wildlife we saw was incredible. We saw alligators, we saw swamp chickens, which I've never heard of swamp chickens before, all kinds of birds. He took us to this one place though that had this one, it was like this what's the iconic looking shot where there is this cypress tree with the Spanish moss hanging down, and we slowly move under it, and it's just, we're surrounded by these beautiful trees, and I was really excited about that because I had the camera and I was like, yes, yes.
So, one of the big things that I wanted to see while I was in Louisiana was an alligator. And we went on this airboat ride, and it was really incredible because I got to see an alligator that wasn't roadkill, and they would just like come right up to the boat. Like they are used to people because of all the tourism down there. But they one came up on the side of the boat and stuck its head up right where I was sitting. It was like locking eyes with me and came up on the boat, and it was so tempting to just, but I didn't, I swear, don't do that, kids. I never thought that I'd be holding an alligator, I just wanted to see them.
Byron loves dinosaurs. Don't do that. Byron. So we get back, and fast forward to the next day, Gus puts in the wrong place. We want to go see the world famous Café du Monde and have beignets, which I love their beignets, they're incredible, but Gus put in Cafe Beignet, so it took us right through Bourbon Street.
And I type in Cafe Beignet. I thought that's where we were supposed to go, not Café du Monde. And it took us down the complete wrong route, right through the city, and it ended up being one of the best experiences while we were there.
Then we hear this music behind us, and I turn around and there's this band there, and this whole parade is taking form, 2 cars behind us. And there was this police officer that was kind of watching us a little bit, and then he went ahead of us, stopped traffic completely for us to keep on going smoothly through the city. So we led a parade down Bourbon Street. How many people can say that?
Stop everybody for our bus and our van.
Nah, see, that's what I'm saying. You don't even need a parking spot. You're just like, I'm part of the city now.
That's right.
We had the sound box blasting the dead out the window.
And
You find some good ones? You find
the
some
police
real ones?
officers thought we were part of the parade, so we stopped traffic so we could go through.
Yeah, dude.
There you
like,
go.
it was
I live
fucking-
here now.
She was dancing out the door. He was on the hood.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Okay, so Gus, yo, so we're at Cafe. We're at Cafe Du Monde right now, and I wanted everybody to try it. And Lacey, what'd you think of your first beignet?
Oh, it was absolutely delicious.
Yeah, and so we're here, and it was amazing. And the city's really dope. We ended up leading a parade with the bus and the van, and had traffic stopped for us by a police officer. That's pretty cool.
It was amazing.
It was awesome.
If I can't be your love, then I'll have to play the friend. But either way, as time staggers on, for your heart I will contend. You're a wild one, and you need to be set free. So just say the words, and I'll come running, and we'll roll like beasts of the